Hey, once again, it's your boy Day from Triple D Gaming coming at you with another how-to video. You know how we do it. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is going to be a real quick video, guys. How to get any item from one map into another map using Giants Editor. There's going to be a couple of different ways. A couple of different ways I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. Open up the desktop here. I got a bunch of stuff on here. Don't mind the mess. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this map here. All right. Maps. Open that up in Giants Editor. Again, I'm going to show you how to just take it from one map and just swap it right over to the next. And then I'll show you how to get just like regular mods you would put in your game, how to throw those into a map. Couple different things. I just need this to load up. I probably should have loaded it and then started the video, but you know. I got a little lighting issue back here. Don't look at this. Alright, so there's that. Alright, so we will go ahead and minimize that. Alright, then we're going to open up this map. So we have Bucks County, PA, which is a TP edit that I have going on. And then we have American Life Farming here. Which I am going to do a TP edit on that as well for myself. And one of these days, try to make this somewhat quick. I can't guarantee anything. Invisible Drake. My lighting's a little messed up. Alright. So, this is trying to load for us. Alright, it did. We're just underneath the map. Alright, so, I'm going to show you one way of doing it. Then we're going to show you another way of doing it, okay? Alright, so, let's find something here. Why does it look all pink? Like everything looks pink. It's weird. Alright. But let's say we wanted this bridge. Alright. Let's say we want that bridge in Bucks County, PA. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight it, right? Did they highlight all the bridges? Or just that one? Alright, just that one. So, if you grab it, you can pick it up, twirl it around, whatever you want to do with it. It doesn't have the road with it. You're going to have to, excuse me, grab a road piece separately. So we could grab all of that. But anyhow, let's just back up, put that bridge back down. Alright, so if we want this bridge inside of Bucks County, PA, so what we do is we highlight it, then you come up here to way up top here to files. Then you put hit export selected with files. Okay, now you're going to go to your desktop or wherever you have your other map at, which is the Bucks County, PA, which we have open. So we just got to find that right here. It's Bucks County, PA, edit it, working. That's what I named it. So we'll click on that. And then say we want it in objects. So we'll just click on objects. All right. and then right here we'll just put in a name for it. We'll name it bridge from American Life Farming, ALF. And then you would hit save. And then it says, do you want to get the parent directory structure? I can't talk today. Hit yes. And then it says, do you want to keep the relative game path? Hit yes. All right. So now let's close this down for a minute. And then let's open up this map, American Life Farming, or Bucks County, PA. So now what we'll do is we'll come up here to File, Import, and then if it isn't showing what you need right here, then you would just do the same thing. Wherever you have that map, go to desktop and then find that map. All right, so now we have we just got to look for it right here. Bridge, which is under from ALF. Click on that, hit open. Now that brought it in. It's underneath the map, though. It always puts stuff underneath the map. So all you got to do is hit left control B. And then wherever you click your mouse, it's going to put that bridge. And for some reason, it's not there. Just because I'm trying to show you. So, where did it go? I don't know. Right, let me back up. And let's try that again. There it is. Alright, so there's the bridge. I don't know what happened to it. Alright, so now that's one way of doing it. Boom, there's your bridge. Obviously it doesn't have a road, but that's one way of doing it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete it because I don't want it in there. All right, so another way of doing it, let me close this down. All right, oh, matter of fact, let me open it back up. Okay, open, and then minimize it. And then we're going to grab the other one. Open it, minimize it. See, I'm not 100% sure if this works, but we're going to try it. All right, so all right, I'm not sure about that. All right, so you could do it that way, or you could just come up here to File, and then Import. Then we'll go to Desktop, American Life Farming, and then no, I lied to you. Here, let's do this. Alright, so now open that, minimize that, move it over. Okay. So let's say we have a mod on the desktop or something and we wanted to add it to our map. All right, so we have a demolition house right here. So I'm gonna open that up, right? all you got to do is find the i3 file. Okay, so just grab a hold of the i3 file. You can drag it and just hover it over top of the map and just let go of it. Now blow that back up. So it's in the map now and it's highlighted. So hit Control B and then click with your mouse. Oh, you know what? I forgot. This is one thing that's put into 1,000 different pieces. I mean, a lot of different pieces. This is all of it right here. And if you want this to work in your game, you would have to click on this stuff and then put it all together and put it all into one thing, and then you can move it around. So we're going to get rid of this because it's not good for me to show you with this. So let me come back up out of the map and find another mod to use. And you could do this with anything, guys. So if you wanted a truck, you could do it with the truck. Oh, and anything you want. I'm gonna move this over to my other screen. Close that one. All right, so we got this warehouse. Open up the warehouse. Grab the i3 file. Drag, let go. Load it back up. We'll hit Control B. And then click of the mouse. It'll put it where we need it. All right. That's how you put stuff from one map to another, or any mod, like mod you would put just in the game, you could actually add it to a map. This is a mod I made to go with the gas station. Yeah, Triple D outlets. I got a little bit of work to do to it. Now, even after you put stuff in a map like this, guys, you can even customize it while it's in the map here. So you can do whatever you want to it. So if we wanted to move this a little bit, we can do that. You can do whatever you want. So real quick, so we could take this door, right? Hit Control D, and that copies it. And then we can, I hit the wrong thing actually. Take it back again. Hit this door. Boom, that's the whole door now. Now we can hit Control D, grab a hold of that door, and we can slide it over, right? Well, now it's not big enough for this opening. So now we have it highlighted. Come up here to attributes. Okay, and then scale X, I believe it's going to be. Yes, scale X. So we will go ahead and mess with some numbers on here and try to make this fit this opening. That's too big, so we'll change that 4 to a 3. We'll change this 5 to a 7. And so we have that door there, right? So now we can just hit Control D and copy it again, and then we can slide it over here. We can make another door. Then we can do it again. Control D, slide it over, make another door. Now it's full of doors. All right. Now, if you went ahead and you grabbed a hold of this, oops. Let's go up to the whole thing. Warehouse, grab a hold of that. All right, so it all moves. But if you made something, if we made that and we didn't copy it, we just made it and put it in there, and we moved that warehouse, and them 3 doors would have stayed there unless we put it in the right place up here, but it's already right. All right, so that's how you do that. I think there's something else I wanted to show you too real quick. So let's close this down. All right, so you can grab grab a hold of those mods like that. Any mod within the game, or you have anywhere. Again, you just click on it. It has to be unzipped though. If you have a mod you wanted to throw in your in a map, it's not going to work if it's zipped. You have to unzip it, and then there's the i3 file. Okay, it's not going to work if it's not unzipped. All right, so let's try that again. Just grab a hold of it, drag, hover, and let go. All right, and then Control B, boom, and we can lay it down. All right, so there's that. Again, you can change this in here too. So I have that on there. So if we click on that, then we come over here to material editing. Click on that. This is the picture we have on there. So if we hit them 3 dots, then we can change that picture to something else. So we'll go to desktop. Let me find that. The sign, right? So now we can put this picture on there. Exit. Now it's back to that TSP, Tractor Supply Store. Back it up, put our logo back on there. So that's how that's done. And then you can just do it like this. Just hit import. Desktop, because that's where we have our open mods at. Let's say we want the main shop on there. So let's hit main shop, and then we'll click on the i3 file and then hit OK. All right, so that put that main shop in here. Hit Control B. Boom. And then hit your mouse, and then it puts the main shop in there. So that's how you get stuff from one map to another. So you can just pull it out of the map, export it out of the map with the files, and place it down wherever you'd like it. And or you can do this with any mod as long as it's unzipped. So there's that. We got the main shop building there. Now let me show you how to do it with a regular mod. So like a truck or something. It's the same thing though. So we'll take 82 Studios Phoenix. All right, so we'll open that up. Same thing, just grab the i3 file, drag it over, let go, blow that back up. We'll hit Control B. And all we grabbed was the wheels. So we got wheels from a truck anyway. Let me bring that back up here. Let's grab this one. The 48-foot trailer. Hover and drop. Control B. See what that gives us. All right, so now we have 82 Studios trailer here. All right, but it doesn't have the wheels on it. Oh, what do we do? So what we're going to do is we're going to find it, the 48-foot trailer, right? And let me move it to flat ground. So you could just use this as a decoration if you wanted to. All right, so now we're clicked on it. So if we open it up, you open this panel up. Open it up, and then we gotta find the stuff that's not highlighted here. I'm trying to find the axles. Alright, but anyway, if you found it, see how it's not highlighted, it's just faded out. Then you would come over here and hit visible. See, that was for the decal. Then if we hit visible on this, this is all the different decals and stuff. I'm just trying to find the axles in that. But then you could put whatever logo or whatever you wanted on it this way. I think that's for the floor. Side marker lights, chicken lights. It's all lights. Tension belt, rear lights. Here's our collision. Tension belt trigger. Cargo options. Okay, so here we can put the loading ramps. So now you can see the loading ramps. You can put the roll-up door. You can put the lift gate on there. You can put the swing doors on. You can put them all on there. What else we got? Obviously, you're not going to want them all on there at the same time, but then here's the curtains. You can put the curtain on. The refrigerator for the trailer on there, you can throw that on. Alright, so it's in there somewhere for the axles. I ain't gonna spend all day looking for it, but that's how it's done, guys. I mean, it's not hard. That's about it. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see what's coming, what's next, hit that subscribe button. And I'm out. Deuces.